Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 Roush in magnetic with black leather interior. 4 doors, seating for 5, and this has a Serialized badge in the center console. It's a 4x4 with a 5.5-foot box, a 5-liter V8 engine. It also has a technology package as well as a trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have power folding mirrors and memory for 3 different drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, grab handle in the body to make it easier to get in, and you have a power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. On the face of the steering wheel, you have dash controls, cruise control, sync voice activated system, and media control with volume. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and I'm going to push the engine start button. On your dash, any important messages will come up, as well as a menu that you can toggle through. So you can start with My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-road, settings, and these all have submenus. In the center, you're seeing the B&O branded premium stereo system. You've got a little bin here. You also have traction control, hazard lights. There's your 360 camera view, and you'll see that on your screen, and you can press through there. We can get back to the main menu, and you also have auto stop for better fuel economy. This is a touch screen, so we can go into audio and choose your sources. Things like AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You also have navigation, and when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. In your settings, you can slide through for different options, such as Wi-Fi hotspot. And below that, you have volume and tuner, and there's your CD player, dual climate control, and you also have heated and cooled seats for both passenger and driver, as well as AC and max AC, front and rear defrost. Off to the side is 4x4 with locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller, and down in the cubby, a couple of USB outlets. In the center console, right in front of your shifter, is your badge, which is serialized for the Roush vehicle. You have an automatic shifter, which is select shift as well as drive mode, and when we press this, you'll see it appear on your dash. Normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and it's just a toggle through for each. You have your cup holders, and you're seeing a little bit of lighting there. That's your ambient lighting, and it'll get even brighter when it's a little darker out. You also have lane keeping and park assist, which is part of your technology package. Your armrest opens up, and inside there's a bin. You can take that out. More storage down below, as well as a 12 volt. Off to the side is a 12 volt and a 110 outlet. And you also have a locking glove compartment. Up above, an auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener. There's your lighting controls. You also have a sunglass holder. That's the button that slides that power back window. And then on a nice day like today, we're going to push the button and open up our moonroof. 20-inch wheels, Mickey Thompson Tires, 2.0 Fox performance suspension, power deployed running boards, body colored door handle with intelligent access and keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You also have your backup camera just below that handle, Roush graphics on the tailgate, and you have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector and a trailer hitch, as well as a locking spare tire. There's a Roush trailer hitch cover and license plate holder. When you want to open up that tailgate, you can do so by double clicking your fob. It powers it down for you, and you'll notice inside you have a nicely lined spray-in liner, as well as tie downs in all 4 corners, box link, and you also have a tailgate step, making it easier to get in. On your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. To bring it back down, simply pull the clip. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, an armrest with a couple of cup holders, all-weather mats on the floor, as well as extra carpeted mats. There's slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage, and in the center you have a couple of cup holders, air vents, 110 USB 12 volt outlets, as well as the controls for heated seats. In the body, grab handles. Up above, hooks and lighting in that panoramic view, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Body colored bumper, splash graphics, wheel flares with clearance lighting, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system and integrated turn signals, windshield Roush banner, hood graphics, Roush Grille with clearance lighting, bumper cover, LED headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.